Hey guys, so I have two electric battery-powered caulk guns here. First off, we've got a Max Force 4000 for use with a 10-ounce cartridge, and it is a 12-volt max cordless. Alright, so this tool right here comes with several different items beyond just the tool. But before I get to the items, I do want to let you know it does have like a power option right here, so the force going out has a trigger here, and then it has the lock for the trigger on this side. You've got the battery, you've got the charger, user manual, and it includes the scraper / caulk tool. And so that will allow you to get a perfect bead of caulk with several different attachments here to get a different spread of caulk. And then it's got the scraper here and the tool to get the caulk out of the corners. And so this battery fits right in. Push down on this to pull this back, and then you push the trigger and you can adjust how fast it comes out. Take your finger off the trigger, it does back it off, so it's like a dripless caulk gun. This gun here is a Max Force 6500 for use with a 10-ounce cartridge or a 20-ounce sausage pack. This is a 20-volt set. You've got a charger here. You've got two batteries, and they do have a battery indicator on the back. You've got a user manual and the tool here, which operates the same, minus your speed control is right here, which is actually kind of nice. You get to adjust that instead of having two hands to adjust. And so we'll put battery in, and once again, it works flawlessly. Alright, so here are the two caulk guns side by side. Here you've got the lighter 12-volt caulk gun, and you've got the heavier 20-volt caulk gun. Alright, first off, I'm going to try the 12-volt caulk gun. Alright, so now I've got the 20-volt caulk gun. Alright guys, so we did get this unit caulked. I absolutely love both of these units. Really the main difference is, for me, the weight, and of course on this one you can use bigger cartridges. I really appreciated the speed control on this one being right where my pinky can switch it back and forth. Now this one does have a little light here at the bottom. This one has a light here at the top for the more commercial users. And this one right here for the every once in a while or even light commercial use. So if you're in the market for an electric caulk gun, both of these units are excellent. Commercial, light commercial, personal. In my opinion, this is an excellent choice either way.